On this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 digital products that you can create alongside your physical product, and you can begin to make extra income for yourself. My number one is for you to create an ebook. It does not matter the business that you are doing, there is a knowledge side of that business that you can very well put together in a book and have people buy that book, and you will make money for yourself. Now, another thing you can do with that book that you will be creating is to even link it with the physical product that you are selling, and you are making more money for yourself. Yes, guys, this is something you can do from the comfort of your home, even from the shop that you are sitting down every day, and you will do that without any problem. If you want to learn how to create ebooks and make money from it, then you want to join my next class that is coming up very soon. Let me know in the comments and you will get details on how to join. Another digital product that you can create alongside your physical product is online courses. So you sell, let's say you sell, for instance, you are in the fashion niche, or you are in the cooking niche, you are in the production niche. Whatever it is that you are producing, whatever it is that you are cooking, whatever business that you are doing, you can create an online course just like you can create an ebook from that business. An online course is a course whereby you have people actually come together to learn from you using videos, right? So you can do text online course, or you can do video online courses. So whatever you feel fit, you can very well create that online course and begin to have people buy from you. Yes, guys, alongside the business of fashion, for instance, you can create an online course on how to look good in your 30s, right? That course will be for people that want to stand out, right, looking good using fashion, right? So something like that. If you are in the cooking, for instance, you can create a cooking course on how to cook 30 delicacies in Nigeria, right? That is what you can do, just using what Hilda Bassi did, right? After winning the Guinness Book of Record, she began to create a course, and you know how much she actually made from that course. That is another thing you can do, right? So if you have a restaurant, if you're into cakes production, you make cakes, you do dresses, you can actually create a course and begin to sell. Another thing you can do is to create merchandise on different products. So you can do branded merchandise and begin to get people that will buy all of those. Now, merchandise like t-shirts, merchandise like cups, right? So for birthday parties, for engagements, for weddings, people can very well reach out to you, asking you to give them this merchandise as souvenirs, right? So you can create it as souvenirs for people. You can also list it on Etsy and get people to actually buy from you even outside your country. Yes, Etsy and Printify will help you actually list this merchandise, and you will have people buy from you. So these are 3 things, or these are 3 businesses that you can add to your physical product business, and you will make extra income for yourself. Now, don't forget to like this video, also share, and don't forget to follow me for more.